right, I want to teach you two very powerful African makossa bass lines for beginners. Without wasting your time, let's go. All right, let me break it down on the key of G. So we have 1, 5, 1, which is do, so, do. Okay, you can put your fingers like this to get the grip. So you can go. So we have do, so, do, ti, la, fa, re, so. Okay, la, fa, re, so. Then you have so, re, so. Ti, la, fa, re, so. That is all. You keep repeating it. Let me go slowly. That is one. I hope you got that. Let me play the second one. This one is a very popular bass line back in those days. So it is simple. Still on the key of G. So, do, ti, la, la, re, re, so, re, re, do, fa, do, so, do, ti, la, la, re, re, so, re, re, do, fa, do. That's the end. Don't forget. Do, fa, do. You now start from the bigger do again. So let me play it. You understand? All right, I hope you have learned something from this video today. If you have learned something, please share this video. Let others learn also from this video. And number 2, please follow me on all social media platforms. On Facebook is at Bale. Promas is on the screen. Instagram is the Beginner's Bass Tutorials. On TikTok is also the Beginner's Bass Tutorial. And on YouTube, where you have all the tutorial videos are there on YouTube. It is also Beginner's Bass Tutorials. I will come back again. God bless you. See you around. Bye.